Good morning, my friend. I've missed you. Sorry I haven't been around. I do apologize for that. I'm sure you've been busy. Summer is crazy. Even though it's not summer officially, it feels like summer here in Southwest Missouri. Work is busy, and I've been enjoying just our flowers and going out on the pontoon. I have not been antiquing very much or really a whole lot of thrifting, but I did pick up a few things over the last couple weeks, so I wanted to be sure to show you, I can't even talk, show you what I'm taking into my antique mall booths here at Country Classic Antique Mall. So I'm going to do like a dashboard haul. Nothing too fancy, just a few things. So let me share these things with you. I'm excited about a few of them. So here we go. Okay, there is definitely dust on my dashboard, but got these little lovebirds ceramic planter. I couldn't think of what that's called. Or you could use it as a vase. And I got this sweet little teacup and saucer, just a teeny tiny little thing. And this one is Ucagco, and it's just a little itty bitty. Now look at this girl. I didn't realize until I saw the sticker on the bottom. She is Holt Howard, but she has problems. The sticker is coming off, and her flowers must have rotted, because they are gone. But look at that big bow. She is the big bow girl, and I guess she would hold something. Not sure what. Yeah, don't know. But I was thinking it would be sweet to put a stick of lipstick, or I mean anything. Candy bar, who cares? Whatever you want to put in her arms. Maybe she was a candle holder. Anyway, she's super sweet. I think I put 14 on her. Even though she is, as is, missing her little flowers at the bottom, I can't get over her sweet face. And, I mean, just the display possibilities. So, love her. Wish I could keep her, but I really just need to get rid of things. Then this, I love this. This is made in Japan. It's another sweet little tea cup and saucer. Let's see, let's move that. Then I picked up this mirror. I love the color. Look at that. I'm charging 10 for that. That's a good deal. Then an egg basket, one of those wire vegetable or egg baskets. Those always sell fast in my kitchen booth. Now this, oh my gosh, I love the red little crank handle. Then it has a little drawer. It does open. Let me get it out of here. It is so stinking cute. Yeah, it's got that sweet little red knob. The drawer works. And this was made in Western Germany. It is fantastic. I love it. I have 14 on it, which is a great price. Then I have this little wall basket. Very sweet. And I picked this up, and it's going in the booth. It's one of those metal scroll wall decor pieces. And I also picked up this scale scoop. So, we got some good things to take inside today. Okay, I am done here. So now I'm headed home, and we're gonna have burgers for Father's Day, and that's all I can think of. Might go out on the boat later, but it's already 84 degrees and it's only 10, so I don't know. But I'm really excited because tomorrow I get to see my friend Heather Elizabeth from Antique Agenda. We're gonna hang out tomorrow and go shopping, and I need it. I need a girls' day shopping. I do, and I can't wait to see her because it's been over a year. Okay, I'm gonna get off here and try to put a video together this evening, and I hope you enjoy. I don't think it's gonna be a long one. But thank you so much for being subscribed and watching my videos when I do make them. I appreciate you, and I hope you're having a great day. Okay, I have another tea set to share, but first I want to share this vanity set. I don't know when it was made. It's not horribly old, but it is definitely vintage. But I love it. I think it's absolutely lovely. The colors are great. And she's just so pretty. This is fun. A little compact, mother of pearl. See if I can open it. There we go. Isn't that pretty? And it says Genuine Mother of Pearl by Schildkrott. I think that's how you say that. Yeah, I like that. Okay, let's look at the tea set. All right, this is another set of the child's tea set. Aren't they beautiful? This one is missing a teacup, so I will keep an eye out for a replacement. But I really don't mind, is what I'm trying to say. I think this is beautiful. And this is the end of the box. Made in Japan. And it was sold in Sears Roebuck and Company retail store, 98 cents.
Are the fish gonna
Like, come along, family. Well, there's a lot of aggression with these fish. These geese are so pretty.
Cameron, they think I have food. Turtle coming. I want to take the turtle. Ah, turtle! Give me turtle! Turtle's
Can you imagine falling into that? What happened?
Probably backed into something or it got loose at the marina or they had it tied up somewhere and it broke loose.
Video. Charlie, what do you think? Do you like the boat? You like pontoon life? Little pontoon poodle? Take over my pillow, my seat, my ice. It's okay. Had a poodle party here. I just can't get over this. So beautiful. You guys, I didn't get to enjoy it last year because the deer ate it down. And I'm just so dang thankful. So thankful. These are some of my favorite daylilies. And the phlox are just looking gorgeous. Those are taller than me. The butterfly weed is still going strong. It's just full of bees and all kinds of weird insects. Bees, flies, little, those little moth butterfly thingies. I know that's a real scientific name, right? But I mean, this thing is just filled with pollinators. Filled. It's amazing. It'd be so wonderful to have like a yard full of this. Oh, if there's a bee on my knee. There's a bee on my knee. Okay, go somewhere else. All right, let's go see what else is blooming.